They say, our brightest blazes of gladness are commonly kind led by unexpected sparks. They weren't expecting this. Hey Bangles, this beat sounds like the clouds are colliding. The rain's about to fall. Special. And you also say life is a perpetual mixtape of surprises and changes, unplanned pit stops, but the race still goes on. Let's go.
They can't state the reason why they hate me, they're just prejudice. More money, more problem, fam, I'm gonna need a therapist. Funny how we pray to God while trying to get hella rich. Never went to college, but don't judge me, I'm intelligent. That's the sign of that Mac. My niggas really live that life that I can't talk about in my track. Trying to get out, but they are in the trap. They got a little this and got a little that. Them boy just gas anytime they rap. I know for a fact they don't clap no straps. I don't fuck with fuck boys. I don't fuck with fuck boys. Talking like they money up when deep down their pocket brat boys. Talking like it's all love, but I know they do hate. Had to drop a couple friends out cause it hurts me when they're too fake. Grew up in the street but made it through, my nigga. You don't recognize real. Who are you, my nigga? I'll take the piss out of the whole clique that you're in, claiming you're the shit. If you're the shit, then I'm the sewer, nigga. I can have the girl screaming out. If you don't believe in anything, dog, you better be leaving that. Side niggas gon' move sideways. Really, I don't mind hate, cause they don't know what I've got coming. Expectation blind date. I told these niggas, I told these motherfuckers, let me make my money in it. Yeah, we on daytime radio. You see the videos on daytime TV. Don't think I can't fucking rap. Let me make my money. Fuck it, I'm going back in one more time. I'm a 6-foot black boy, clean skin, no tax. I know a couple road man that got work but they pay no tax. Self-employed, I pay mine. I don't rush, I take time. I could have been in pain and I'm the only reason I ain't signed. That's the sign of that thing. I got a couple dogs in the bin and they're holding it down in that wing. No, I ain't perfect, but I know God willing I will be forgiven for all of my sins. And I ain't sure you that I'm loyal. I put my all in all that I'm bringing. I don't fuck with fuck boys. Grew up with them rough boys. Had school in the morning, but them straps don't make enough noise. Sirens ringing off everywhere. R.I.P. somebody round here that area. Nigga, I'm from Peckham where reality is scarier than nightmares. And nobody don't fight fair. No, you can lose your life, yeah. Young niggas got that strap on them or they riding around with that knife there. Look how far that I've come. Look at all the shit I've done. Videos on TV, radio play my songs. Sad niggas gon' move sideways. Really I don't mind hate, cause they don't know what I got coming. Expectation blind date. And I hear them talking. Cash don't rap for the hood no more. I'm a fucking business now. Respect that. Instead of you be proud of me for achieving shit, you wanna hate. I can't stand these fuckboys. We got big plans, and I'm a humble nigga. I ain't coming on here with a pessimistic vibe, trying to corrupt you lot's mind and make you believe that I've achieved shit more than I've achieved shit. I ain't made it. I'm in the fucking process. But believe this, 2030 and onwards, it's gonna be a fucking movie. Believe me. I'm leaving. Still putting in work, dog. Still putting on for my team. In 10 years I'ma listen back knowing that I said that before I turned 19. One of the only rappers in the game who wasn't originally a member of the grime scene. Lord knows I ain't proud, that's a blind fiend. Me and Scully running from a crime scene.